How to use AI to create voiceovers from text for your videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily use AI to create voiceovers from text. Let's just get started. Open up your web browser and you need to search for this particular site called CoFont. So I'll just go over here and search for CoFont, hit enter, click on the first link that you see, and go to AI Voice Hub. And you can find a list of different AI voices over here. So I'll just go ahead and click on the first one that shows up right here and tap on Use button right besides details. Now you are going to have to log into your account. So let me just quickly log in with my Google account. Once your login is complete, just select your voice. I'll just select the first one, tap on Continue. And on the next page, you can just start typing. So it's already given you a phrase.
On a quiet night, as moonlight streams through
just
the
like
window,
this.
I found my old.
Now you can customize the text as you want. So I'll just go ahead and add something else. And you can either play it by just tapping on play here. And you can also download it by pressing download button right besides it. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can use AI voice to create voiceovers from text. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.